If you are a medical student, please kindly share this video with someone who is not yet a medical student but aspires to be one. So it would really help them, and it also increases the chances exponentially to get into the position where you are and where I am. Okay, thank you for that. So welcome to the channel. My name is Vishal Kathe. I am a second year MBBS student at Rajiv Gandhi Medical College, Thane. So consider subscribing if you are a medical student or medical aspirant. Here I have tried to make a motivational video for the student who are preparing to appear for the entrance exam. So let's get into the video.
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आगाए जा अपने राग राग आशाएं आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी ओ हो ओ हो उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत सी मुलाकात हो पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
I want everyone appearing for their entrance exams to hear me out today. You matter. Don't be afraid. Be focused. Be empowered. Our greatness comes from taking nothing for granted, especially during these tough times. It might seem that the future is blurry and uncertain, but that doesn't mean we stop striving to achieve what we want. Whatever the decision has been taken, it's time to prepare ourselves to face it and not crib about it. Take it as an opportunity even during such weary times. You should never view the challenges as a disadvantage. Instead, it's important for you to understand that your experience of facing adversity and challenges is an advantage. Stop fearing about bad marks. Life will throw obstacles far worse than this. There are times where setbacks will always knock you down to your feet. But now is not the time to fall down. Get up. Get up stronger, smarter, and keep moving. Success is only valuable and enjoyable if it feels like your own. It's time to make it yours. All the best, aspirants.